In this video, I will demonstrate attaching a VMware ESXi 6.5 host to a storage center array with iSCSI using an iSCSI offload adapter. To attach an iSCSI host to a storage center, it is recommended to use a Dell Customized ISO for VMware. Click on the Summary tab, then review the image profile. Click on the Configure tab, then in Storage Adapters, locate the iSCSI HBAs. In this case, we're using the embedded QLogic 10 gig adapters in the PowerEdge server. Click on Physical Adapters and locate the adapters. To ensure we correctly identify which NIC or iSCSI HBA, we have the ports disabled on the switch. I will enable the port connected to default domain 1 and then rescan the adapter. We can see VM NIC 0 came online at 10 gig. We repeat for the NIC connected to default domain 2. Click on VM kernel adapters, then the Add icon. Click Next. Select New Standard Switch, then Next. Click Plus. Locate the VM NIC for fault domain 1 and highlight it, then click OK. Click Next. Update the network label and click Next. Select to use static IP settings, enter the settings and click Next. Be sure the IP address matches the subnet for fault domain 1. Repeat for the other iSCSI adapter for fault domain 2. Click on Storage Adapters. Select the first iSCSI adapter, then click on Network Port Bindings and then the plus icon. Select the vSwitch and then OK. Repeat for the second iSCSI adapter. Click on Rescan. Launch the Dell Storage Manager client. Click on Configure VMware vSphere to access a storage center. Log into the storage center that the ESX host will be connecting to and click Log On. Review the prerequisite screen, then click Next. Provide the credentials for the ESX host that will be connecting to the storage center and click Next. Both fault domains should be reachable. If not, troubleshoot before continuing. Clicking Next will log the iSCSI initiators into the storage center. After the iSCSI initiators log in, the next step will be to create the server object on the storage center. Click Next to continue. You should receive the Host Setup Successful screen. You can use the Copy to Clipboard feature to save the best practices. Click on Launch Wizard to create a volume for this host. Update the volume name and click Next. Update the capacity and click Next. Make any modifications necessary for the storage options and click Next. Adjust the snapshot profiles for the volume and click Next. Click Next to map the volume to the server. Click Finish. To view mappings, click on Mappings. If you click on Servers, then the server you just created, you can see all the connections as well. To use the newly created volume, open vSphere Web Client and click on Data Stores. Click on the plus icon. Choose VMSS, then Next. Provide a name and select the compellent iSCSI disk. Select a version and click Next. Make any adjustments and click Next. Click Finish.